Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Maker on mobile. It's important to know upfront that Nintendo has not released an official version of Super Mario Maker for phones or tablets. The beloved level creation game remains exclusive to Nintendo's dedicated gaming consoles, specifically the Wii U and the Nintendo Switch. This means you won't find it in your device's app store. However, there are still ways to experience similar gameplay on your mobile device. While an official mobile game doesn't exist, the dedicated fan community has created impressive alternatives. One popular option is Super Mario Maker World Engine, a fan-made game that allows you to build and play custom levels. It often features familiar elements and mechanics, providing a similar creative outlet. These fan projects are typically available for Android devices and sometimes for iOS, often through community forums or direct downloads, offering a free way to enjoy the experience. Another method involves using emulators to play the original console games on your mobile device. For instance, the Citra emulator can run the Nintendo 3DS version of Super Mario Maker on many Android phones. More powerful devices might even handle Nintendo Switch emulators, such as Yuzu or Pomelo, to play Super Mario Maker 2. Keep in mind that performance can vary greatly depending on your phone's specifications and the emulator's optimization, so results may not always be perfect. If direct emulation or fan games aren't quite what you're looking for, consider exploring other mobile games that offer a similar level creation experience. Titles like Levelhead provide robust platforming and a comprehensive level editor, allowing you to build and share your own stages. Wonderbox. The Adventure Maker also offers creative tools for crafting unique adventures. These alternatives capture the spirit of Super Mario Maker by empowering players to design and share their own imaginative worlds, often with hundreds of levels to explore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.